Hello, welcome to day 2 of Module 9, Tuesday, November 17th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll go to Async. There are 2 activities in Async. First activity is MEL, practice with superlatives. Make sure you do the assignment, friends. The next activity is paraphrasing assignment. So remember, when you sign in, you have My Document, and then your document will open, and then you'll click Edit. So here's the assignment. Make sure you read everything before you start, but I'll give you a little sneak peek. So you are going to pick different sentences. Here you have some examples, and then you will do it on your own. When you're done, you will click Submit. And that's it for Async. It is Tuesday, but we have a different sync today. As I mentioned yesterday, we are taking the CASAS test. So I went over some of the directions, and you'll go over the same directions with your proctor. So we'll start exactly at 10 o'clock. If you have any questions, you'll ask your proctor. You are to use no cell phones. You have no breaks unless it's an emergency. You guys are going to be great. You're going to do very well. Good luck. That's it for today.